How to buy GTA 5 on Steam. Hey there, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. To get yourself the GTA 5 on your device, launch a Steam app in your device. So make sure that you are logged in into your Steam account, and if you have not created an account yet, make sure to do so. So over here, once you have successfully logged in, at the top in the search bar, go ahead and search for GTA 5. Go ahead and tap on it. So since it is age inappropriate, make sure to enter the page and tap on the view page option. Now once you have been redirected over here, you can scroll down and check out some of the edition that is available of your GTA 5. So now in here, you will see that there are some of the discount going on right out in the Steam for your GTA 5. So you can just select on any of the edition and tap on add to cart. Then tap on view my cart option. Make sure you have only selected your GTA 5 and tap on continue to payment. Now in the payment section, you can select on various of payment methods such as PayPal or debit or your credit card. In the case of PayPal, you will have to log in into your PayPal account. Then you will have some of the deductions from your PayPal balance automatically. However, if you are using credit or debit card, you will have to enter your card number, expiration date, security code, and the billing address. So this is how you can purchase a GTA 5 from your Steam. Hopefully you found it informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.